Cisco Secure Firewall, Firepower 7.x, the virtual base installation, as well as connecting to Cisco Security Cloud. The virtual instance is installed on Promox. Let's get started. All right, we're in Cisco Security Cloud Control. We're going to go into Security Devices, and we're going to go ahead and add a device. Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go FTD, and we'll do CLI registration. Kind of walks you through, give it a device name. You can add the policy. I'm going to use the default here. And then we'll hit Virtual FTD Device. We'll select our device here. And then we'll go ahead and include our licenses, IPS, malware, and URL in this case. Click Next. And then here's the command line that we have to enter into our FTD device to connect to Security Cloud Control. So we'll go ahead and do that now. We'll go ahead and log into the device. We got to do the base configuration, so we'll do that now. We'll give a password. Look at the parameters required for password here. We'll go ahead and say yes to IPv4, no to IPv6. We'll go ahead and set manual. For IP address, we'll go ahead and put the IP address of the device in. We'll put in the default gateway. We'll put in the FQDN. And we're going to leave the default DNS servers as umbrella here. And for search domains, we'll say none. Give it a few moments here. And now we'll go ahead and set how we want the device managed. We're going to say no to locally managed. We want to leverage the Security Cloud Control. And it'll be routed. Now that's it for the base config. We'll go ahead and attach the FTD device to the Security Cloud Control by entering that command line that we got from Security Cloud Control. Now I pivoted into SSH here because I wanted to copy and paste. All right, looks good. Now we'll go ahead and hit next. And we'll go to Security Devices. It's saying our device is now being onboarded. And you can see here the connectivity shows onboarding. We'll give it some time to onboard. And let's go ahead and show managers. We can see the registration has completed and now it's online and the configuration's in sync. Now all we have to do is go into Firewall. We can go into Security Devices here. We can see our device online and synced. And now we can build our policies just like the localized Secure Firewall Manager, or formerly Firepower Management Center. And that's it.